In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search YouTube for key California real estate markets and organize the leads you find. We'll be focusing on a simple workflow that helps you find relevant YouTube channels in major real estate areas, gather the most useful contact and audience details, and then sort everything in a way that makes outreach or research much easier later on. Start by going to YouTube and searching for the key market terms one at a time. Use phrases like Los Angeles real estate, Bay Area housing, and San Diego homes. These searches help surface channels that are already creating content around major California housing markets. It's a good idea to search each term separately so the results stay focused and easier to review. Once the results appear, apply the channel search filter. This is important because it removes videos, playlists, and other content types and narrows your view down to actual channels. That makes the research process much more efficient, especially if your goal is to identify creators, agents, teams, or brokerages with an established YouTube presence in those markets. As you review the channels, begin collecting the lead data you need. For each channel, record the channel URL so you can return to it quickly later. If a public business email address is available, capture that as well. Be sure to only use publicly available contact information and avoid including any private or sensitive details in your notes. Next, note the subscriber metrics. This gives you a quick sense of the size and reach of the channel, which can be helpful when comparing opportunities or prioritizing leads. Also identify the primary city associated with that channel. In many cases, this can be found in the channel branding, description, video topics, or repeated mentions throughout the content. As you build your list, organize everything by Northern versus Southern California markets. This final step helps turn a basic spreadsheet of channels into something far more useful. For example, Bay Area channels would typically fall under Northern California, while Los Angeles and San Diego would generally be grouped under Southern California. Keeping the data separated this way makes it much easier to analyze regional trends, assign outreach by territory, or simply keep your research clean and structured. Take your time as you go, stay consistent with how you record each field, and make sure your data is easy to scan. A clean process at this stage will save you a lot of time later.